trying to call Mom, give me a light.
Drive 1.2 miles, then turn left.
Horrible. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, my side this time.
Okay.
It might be on. There's gonna be one right here, it looks like.
Gosh. Can you live in this stuff?
Yeah.
Crazy.
Like driving in a snowstorm.
Not exactly, but I guess you could compare it.
Almost rain, that's come down pretty good.
Not too bad right here.
They got good ditches and runoff all along here.
Yeah.
2.2 miles, turn left.
Bumpy.
Turn left.
There was that one where we couldn't even see.
Huh?
There was that one that we couldn't see by AAA.
Yeah.
Drive
Oh, here's
0.8
one.
miles, then turn right.
That wasn't that big.
No, it ain't that big. Oh, yeah. No, I'm not going to drive back up there so you can take them over.
Why?
Alright, we'll go back.
Are you serious? I'm gonna, like, die. That's
It's too
dangerous.
dangerous. There's too many idiots out. You've seen that. When we almost get run over by a cop.
That cop should really watch where he was going. He, like, cut you off. It was horrible.
I know. Wasn't paying attention. And this time of night is bad because you need headlights, yet they're not shining. They're not shining on the road, you know, so they can't tell they're coming up behind you.
Yeah.
When it's dark out, you can see the headlights.
Yeah.
But this time, and also when it's wet and you get the brakes all wet, sometimes only one side grabs. You got to be careful. This may pull you one way.
Yeah.
Everything puts you good now.
Then turn right.
Wow, that was pretty much terrifying.